Let's learn how to generate a QR code in Microsoft Word. For generating QR code, we have to click on Developer tab. जिनके भी सिस्टम में Developer tab activated नहीं है, so for activating the Developer tab, you can click on File, click on More, click on Options, and Customize Ribbon. After clicking on Customize Ribbon, you can click this checkbox. जिनका भी checkbox tick नहीं है, आप इस developer checkbox को tick कर दीजिए and the developer tab will be added on your screen. Here is the developer tab. Now, for generating a QR code, you have to click on add-ins. After clicking on add-ins, go to store, search easy QR code and barcode generator and press enter. So I am adding this one, easy QR code and barcode generator. Click on add, click on continue. After clicking on continue, here is a text box or an area activated for generating QR code and barcode. So for QR code, type something or you can add some link for which you want to create a QR. So I am adding the given link in my table and the same link is available in my history. So I'm adding this link and the QR code is automatically generated. See if I'm going to do the changes in the link, so QR code is also changing. So I'm again choosing the given link and the QR code is generated. You can change the size of QR code as per your choice. You can decrease it or you can increase it. After doing this, I am adding the QR code in my table. So click on insert image and the QR code is added into the Word document. Now you can scan this QR code using your phone. So it will redirect to the link of www.google.com.